Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. This is not very iniquitous, this is very healthy. This is what I usually eat for breakfast, and I know I don't do what I eat in a day because normally I eat pretty much the same thing most of the time. And this is a regular breakfast of mine. It is coconut chia pudding. This particular breakfast is mixed half chia pudding and half blueberry yogurt. I don't always mix yogurt. Sometimes I just have full-on chia pudding. I sprinkled this with some blueberry granola. I don't always sprinkle with granola either. It doesn't need it, but I just thought I would do something a little bit nicer than just a plain old boring bowl of chia pudding mixed with yogurt. And this time I topped it with sliced strawberries and sliced nectarines. And I really relied on chia seeds, especially while I was in the hospital initially recovering from my accident, because I had many bone fractures, and the chia seeds are a great source of calcium, great source of protein, great source of omega-3s for all the inflammation that you're going through when you're in the hospital, getting pumped all full of crap because, you've got, risk of infection and everything else. So, enough of that. But yeah, I ate a lot of chia pudding while I was in the hospital. And let me have a little taste here. I never get tired of this. I love the texture. There's practically no flavor. It's a great way to get your omega-3s without the weird flavor of flax seeds. I mean, some people may not mind it. I don't really like the taste of flax seeds. I don't like to put them in smoothies, and I don't like to bake with them. They have a very strong, almost fishy flavor to me. So yeah, I had my dad brought his little portable refrigerator and plugged it into my hospital room, and my stepmom would make me the chia pudding and he would bring it for me, and most of the time I could get away with eating it, but every once in a while, a therapist or a nurse would come in and look at what I was eating, which wasn't on the hospital menu, and go, "What's that?" And I'd tell them, and they'd go, "Oh, that's why you're healing so well." I mean, I never solicited any comment like that. But, they would just say that. They would find out what I was eating and say things like that. So, and I healed very quickly. My neck was almost broken all the way through, and it healed in 4 months. And for some people that have to wear those braces that I had to wear, it takes a year. So I was very glad I didn't have to wear that damn thing for a year. So anyway, yes, I cannot spout enough compliments on the chia seeds. Thank you, as always, for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. Regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Community posts, Monday and Friday. And I'll see you later, guys.